Hey everyone, welcome to the Veiler channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install mods for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Let's open Minecraft and check our version. I'm currently on 1.2162. Next, open any browser and type mecpedal. Go to the site, select mods, then add-ons. Now we can choose a mod. Let's say, there are so many options. I'm not sure which one to pick. Let's try Bankta, for example. Let's scroll down and see if it's compatible with my version. We need to find a mod that works with our version. Unfortunately, I couldn't find one for my version since it's too new. But let's find a suitable mod. Select the version, then download using this link. After downloading, we'll have a file like this. Open it, and you'll see the import process start and complete. Now, when creating a world, you'll see additional options for the mod. Click Activate, then launch the game. Create a new world or use an existing one. In the world settings, you can click Resource Packs and add the mod there. That's all. Thanks for watching. This was Var. Catch you later.